Hi, welcome back to the channel. So this video is the second part of my porch series. I'm just taking down what's left of this porch that I didn't get done in my last video. So you can see me working away at it here.
These sides?
And take all of it off. Get back away from the steps.
Okay, but it's gonna be hard.
Yeah, well, some things are hard. That's just life, my dear. Okay, that's a great idea. That's okay, I'll come dump it out in a little bit. You can see that I really struggle busted with this porch. I was having to pry it down with this crowbar. Yeah, my battery kept dying. It was a whole hot mess, but I made it through it, and it was taking apart. I got it down to the frame, and then when Josh showed up with his nifty tools, I was able to get the rest down pretty fast with his little saw. So that was nice when he showed up with those. But you can see me struggling here. The little one running around. She's so excited to see me working on things. Lots and lots of helpers. As you can see, the porch is down. He's so organized and prepared. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? Stupid, 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 stupid. Stop. How much farther out would it go if we did 9 by 20?
I can figure out the...
And here we are, shoveling away. This had to be one of my least favorite parts. I really did not enjoy all the shoveling, and I wasn't that great at it, but I kept going and kept going and kept going and kept going. We're out here. It's colder than a witch's titty this morning. We are about to fill these holes with some cement. We got all our holes dug. 6 nice holes, 2 feet deep. We filled them out at the end. We had to go through a lot of granite. Fun times, you know? Fun times. Got all these. Look at this one. It's fully filling up with some cements. You a little helper, honey?
Already starting to warm up out here.
Yeah.
That's something feeling noise.
Still looks like it could be a little wet.
I mean, it's got water on top. You want it to stay wet while it's drying.
All of our holes. So what are you doing there with the wood?
I'm holding it
Basically, I'm trying to find where the back of the plate needs to be.
I don't know that I can. It's sitting right on my arm.
You don't have to yell, Marybelle.
Hurry.
See that bubble?
Yeah.
Gotta raise it up to the center.
It's a little too far to the left. It needs to come down a little. I believe. No, it needs to go up. Right there.
Reinforce it. Somebody ain't gonna be able to hold it.
Should've done that to begin with. Made it easier. Smarter, not harder. Bruised me.
You're fine. You're fine.
get EBT. You can order these on Amazon. I got this as a Christmas present for the girls. It's very cute. This is also a Christmas present I got for my mother. Yeah, there's some nice things on Amazon you can get with your EBT. This is another Christmas present I got with my EBT. Pink oyster mushrooms that you can grow on your counter. Very cute. It's a sexy carpenter man right there.
We got shorter ones we could use for place. Mark out the base, and then between the base and
Sounds beautiful. Almost as beautiful as you. Stop. You bracing yourself? Is 1 p.m. here on Sunday. We're taking us a little lunch break. Gonna heat us up some of this leftover soup that I made the other night. I made a video on this. It's on the channel if you're interested in watching it. We are about to have lunch, so I'm gonna wrap this video up. This is gonna be part 2 of the porch series, and there's gonna be more videos to come, obviously, because we're not done yet. Until next time, I love you so much. I'm grateful that you watched the video, and I hope you're having a great weekend. Bye. Bye.